My name is Eric Muriuki, one of the defense advocates in this matter, instructed by the Law Society of Kenya. I'm accompanied by my colleagues here, James and Miriam, and other advocates are in court. They're handling other matters. So the first thing we want to do is to say thank you to the judiciary for upholding the rule of law today. Even though the bail terms set have been a bit harsh, we appreciate the ruling of the magistrate. It was very well reasoned. She has actually dismissed the application by the prosecution that was seeking to hold the three human rights defenders for 21 days pending investigations. The magistrate has found that there were no extraneous circumstances that would lead to them being held pending investigation. The magistrate has also found that those allegations that they were fleeing from the jurisdiction are not true, they are baseless, and the mere fact of being in a bus going to Mombasa does not mean that someone is fleeing. The magistrate has also ordered that the gadgets which were seized from the three be subjected to forensic analysis to determine whether at all they were involved, and I am very sure that our clients will be exonerated at the end of that event. So what I want to also talk about is this habit that the police and the prosecution has adopted in Kenya, whereby they arrest someone without having conducted any investigations, without any evidence, and then they come to court so that the court can sanitize that illegality of someone being held without any reason for being detained. We are appealing to our judiciary everywhere in this country to reject the sanitization of such behavior. The correct way should be investigations first, obtain evidence, and then if that evidence is enough, forward it to the ODPP so that the ODPP can charge. These attempts to arrest people and then seek for days to hold them are an intimidation tactic that cannot be accommodated by the Constitution of Kenya 2010 that we Kenyans gave to ourselves. That Constitution protects the liberties and freedoms of all individuals, including people who are said to be suspected of having committed any offenses. So for that, we are grateful to the court today and to the judiciary, and we say that as the public, as lawyers, we stand with the judiciary, and we pray that the judiciary continues to uphold justice, because justice is our shield and defender. Asanteni sana.
My name is Muthaiga. I'm an advocate on record, appearing together with Eric and other lawyers from the Law Society. I think my colleague has said everything that needs to be said, that the magistrate has found that there was no proof at all to continue holding the three human rights defenders. Whatever arguments that were being made by the office of the DPP that investigations are being carried out, she has found that, for example, there were no OBs presented to her as proof that there were complainants. So there was no witnesses to be tampered with, as was being argued by the office of the DPP. So I think my colleague has said everything that needs to be said, that the magistrate and the judiciary has showed that truly the way to peace and security in this country is through respecting the rights of even those people that are being, being brought here and they are being asked to be incarcerated. The way to peace and security in this country is ensuring that everybody's rights to a fair trial are upheld, which is what she has done today. So there's not much else to be said. We are waiting for our clients to be processed, for their bail to be paid and for them to be processed, because they are free citizens unless there are compelling reasons for them to be held. So that is all there is to be said in this country.
Okay, I'll give it to you so that you cannot give us a quick recap on the instruction that the magistrate gave.
Well, my colleagues have pretty much summed it up. I am James Ongamo. My colleagues have pretty much summed it up. The only thing that I appeal is that we know who has hired goons. It's with you media people. We have not seen them being arrested. We have not seen them being charged. We pray that as they continue arresting human rights defenders, that we shall also see them arrest these people who are hiring goons. I will not name names, obviously, but we all understand who is hiring goons in this city, and we pray that justice shall be seen. That's all.
that a quick recap on the instructions that the magistrate gave to the EC.
Well, the magistrate gave instructions. She told them, one, they should desist from activities that have brought them here. I do not know how they will desist because a human rights defender is a human rights defender. She also told them to report to the police station every Monday and Thursday of the week. And cash bill is set at 200,000. We are struggling. We are struggling to get this cash bill, but we are indeed hopeful that they'll be released today. Yes.
Thank you. And you still hold that your clients are...
Our clients are totally and absolutely innocent. We do not understand why they were arrested. We saw them in a peaceful protest. We acknowledge that there were goons in the city. We know that the person who had, we know who had the goons in the city, but our clients were not related to the goons, and they are absolutely innocent. That's our